Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a headlight bulb on a GMC Acadia. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set for safety. Then, open the hood and identify the headlight assembly that requires attention. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to accessing the bulb. You'll find two retaining pins at the top of the headlight assembly. Remove these. Gently pull the entire assembly forward to unclip it from its mounting points. Be careful not to force it. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector from the rear of the assembly, allowing you to fully remove it for easier access. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Imagine listening to your favorite tunes while working on your car. Check the description below for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the assembly out, replacing the bulb is straightforward. Twist the old bulb socket counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Then, carefully pull the old bulb straight out. When installing the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly into the socket and twist to secure it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.